GetHairMD frequently asked questions. Is GetHairMD just for men? No, GetHairMD is not just for men. The treatments are designed for both men and women who are dealing with thinning hair or hair loss. Does GetHairMD include more than one treatment? Yes, GetHairMD is a full-spectrum solution that brings together multiple doctor-guided treatments, including options that are FDA cleared. When will I start seeing results? Results can vary based on the treatment type. Your provider will talk to you about what to expect during your consultations. Typically, patients see results within 6 to 12 months. Are the results long-term? The goal of GetHairMD is to provide long-lasting results. While outcomes may vary from person to person, the treatments are built to deliver permanent improvement when followed correctly. Are GetHairMD treatments safe? Yes, all treatments offered have been thoroughly tested and considered safe by medical professionals, with high rates of success. Can I try something similar at home instead? While there are DIY options on the market, they generally do not match the consistency or effectiveness of professionally administered treatments. How much do the GetHairMD treatments cost? The price depends on your personal plan and the treatment path that's recommended after your consultation. What makes GetHairMD hair care different? The GetHairMD hair care products contain medical-grade formulas that are not available over the counter. Only physicians or other medically supervised professionals are cleared to administer these products, and we're ecstatic to bring them directly to you. Take the first step towards reclaiming your hair and confidence with GetHairMD at LUX A Medical Spa. Our expert team is here to create a personalized plan just for you. Contact us now to book your free consultation and start your journey towards healthier, fuller hair.